Hey! Today we're creating the perfect lightweight 3D elf legs using simple, cheap papier-mâché. Let's dive in. You need the elf, paper, napkins, foil, plastic wrap, water and our magic glue. Water and flour. Mix the glue using a 4 parts water to 1 part flour ratio. 12 spoons of water and 3 spoons of flour is enough. Stir it until it's smooth and cook about 1 to 5 minutes, or until it thickens to a consistency like pudding or gravy. Done! Use aluminum foil to sculpt the elf's distinctive leg and lower torso. Crucially, wrap the entire foil duplicate in plastic wrap. This step prevents the glue from sticking and lets us remove the inside easily later. Time to layer. Start with a release layer of whole paper sheets dipped only in water, applied over the plastic sculpt. Dip the torn paper and napkin strips in glue. Apply 4 to 5 layers, alternating between paper and napkin. Be sure to crisscross the strips for strength. Finish with a smooth top layer of paper, using the glue to seal it. This needs to dry completely about 2 to 3 days. Welcome back. Once dry, gently slide the foil armature right out. Let's try it on. Trim up any rough edges. Now, paint. We're using vibrant Christmas red, and once dry, you can add cuffs, buckles, and details to make them shine. To ensure stability, select a rigid base, such as a piece of cardboard or a flat wooden plaque. Secure the pants to this base using a hot glue gun. Once the adhesive is set, test the stability. You'll find the finished result works wonderfully. Best of luck, and I look forward to sharing more ideas with you soon. Add a fun detail, like the number 67, for a final touch. Will you build one? Thanks for watching.